Hello kids, welcome to Grammar by Planetspark YouTube channel.
Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. Before going through the questions, here is a fun activity. Can you find the number in this poster? Look carefully and have fun. Did you spot the number? Well done, kids! Now let's go to the grammar question.
Today, we are going to learn some fun grammar rules. So, get ready.
Get ready for your quiz. Look at the word, choose a or an to add before them. Dash cat. Answer is a cat. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Dash orange. Answer is an orange. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Dash dog. Answer is a dog. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Dash egg. Answer is an egg. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Dash pen. Answer is a pen. Excellent job, kids. Free one-on-one grammar check. Know your child's grammar level in just 30 minutes. Now choose the correct article. A, an, or the. Dash, bus. Answer is a bus. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Dash, sun. Answer is the sun. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Dash, apple. Answer is an apple. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Dash, moon. answer is the moon. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. Dash, ring. Answer is a ring. Excellent job, kids! Hey, superstar! Want to show me how well you know your grammar? Ask Mama or Papa to book your grammar challenge below. Now choose the correct article.
I saw dash elephant at the zoo. The answer is an elephant.
Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question.
She is reading dash book. The answer is a book.
Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question.
Please like and subscribe to the channel. You have 10 seconds.
Now move to the next question.
Dash sun rises in the east. The answer is the sun.
Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question.
He ate dash orange. The answer is an orange.
Excellent job, kids! Booking your free demo takes less than a minute. Click your child's grade. Enter or update your number. Tap and book your free demo today.
Keep learning. See you next time. Please like the video and subscribe the Grammar for Kids by Planetspark.